Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil Tutoring from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. In today's video, we're going to be addressing the financial licensing exams such as the SIE, Series 6, Series 7, Series 63, and so many more. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on what we do here at Sapneil Tutoring, which is helping those retaking the SIE, the Series exams, any of the FINRA-based exams, because they just couldn't pass it on their first or second attempt. Here at Sapneil Tutoring, we specialize in helping retake these exams and helping you prepare as a retake tester on these exams. Our expert tutoring services address the following exams: Series 7, SIE, Series 63, Series 6, Series 55, and so many more. We help you retake it with confidence. Our specialty is on exam retake tutoring. We master some of the foundational concepts that help you create a strategy and a testing plan to help you succeed on these exams. We use some of the best technology in the industry. We have a licensing partnership with Achievable, and we license their software so that we can make sure that you're getting the best material available to help you pass this exam. Additionally, a lot of our process focuses around diagnostic exams and then exams throughout the testing plan and tutoring program that you're signed up for. Why students choose Sapneil Tutoring for retaking their FINRA exams? These are some of the following recommendations. So we provide customized one-on-one tutoring programs, real practice, real progress by our licensing partnerships with some of the best content writers in the industry, flexible online and in-person sessions, and we specialize in those students that need a second or a third chance through really building techniques and strategies to help those students in passing their test. So some of our ideal candidates are those obviously that have taken the test before and haven't passed. They feel overwhelmed by the complex amount of information. Those students that maybe are working for Merrill Lynch or UBS Warburg or some of the other big financial institutions that need this test to move up. In terms of getting promoted to the next position. We also really specialize in customizing a one-on-one tutoring program for those students. If you're ready to pass and move forward, definitely reach out to us at the number listed below. My team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of test prep, cognitive testing, college applications, exam advising, and so much more. If you're really serious about passing the FINRA exam, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We hope to help you achieve your academic goals. Thank you.